Now let's take this animation to the next level. So here, when I expand this zippy, the text appears immediately. See? It looks like the text is appearing at the same time the zippy is expanding. I want to take this to the next level. So I want the zippy to expand first, and then I want the text to appear with a fade-in effect. Let's see how we can implement this. So this is the implementation of our animation. Now, as I told you before, when we call this animate function, it's going to undo all the previous styles. Now, what we need to implement here is a multi-step animation. So first, I want the zippy to expand, and then I want the content in the body to fade in. So here, when the zippy is in the collapse state, I want to apply another style. I'm going to set the opacity to 0. Now, during this transition, first, I want to undo these few styles. And then I want to change the opacity to 1. So a multi-step animation. So here we add style. First, I'm going to set the height to the default value at runtime. I'm also going to set padding top to the same value and padding bottom. Now I'm going to remove this overflow because I noticed we already defined this in our CSS. So let's make our code cleaner. So first we're going to change these styles over 300 milliseconds, and then we're going to change the opacity to 1. So a multi-step animation. So here in this transition, in this array, we're going to have another animate. Let's say 1 second. And here we want to change the opacity to 1. Now let's look at the result. See what happens. I think that's a lot nicer. One more time. So the zippy expands first, and then the text fades in.